Hello, everyone. I'm back with the Metallic Dreams collection from Zoya. This is a three-piece trio that was released with the cafe creams. I'm just splitting them up so that you can find what you're looking for if you are not interested in one but are interested in the other. These were sent to me to swatch and share with you, and they are available on the Zoya website. So if you're interested in any of them, I will leave the link to the Zoya website down below. First up is Matilda. This is a metallic sweetheart pink submerged with gold shimmer. This gives me like the Barbie core vibes, that trend that's going on right now. It gives me those feelings and I love it. I can't pull off the other things, but I can definitely pull off the polish. This is just so cute. I built it up in two coats, super reflective on the nail. And the formula was really easy to work with. Threw on some top coat for shine. Can't really see that though. And easy to Next in line is Moki. This is an earthly olive metallic submerged with golden undertones and micro glitters. This is the kind of polish I see people pulling out during the holidays, and I just might be one of them. It's gonna be me. I think this would just work so well during that time, and it works well now. I built it up in two coats, super easy to work with. Love the formula on this. Throw on some top coat for shine, and removal will be easy. And the last one is Amara. This is a gleaming rich chocolate brown metallic with copper undertones. I immediately thought this was a chocolate metallic when I pulled it out of the package, so it's satisfying to read that Zoya describes it in a similar fashion. Built this one up in two coats. I really don't think that that second coat was all that necessary outside of my habits, because I really think that a first thicker coat or a thicker first coat would have reached full opacity. So if you have this one, try it out that way, or if you're thinking about getting it, try it out with a thicker first coat and see how it goes. I don't know, looking at it didn't really need that second coat, now did it? I applied top coat for shine and removal will be easy. All right, everybody, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!